Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix Instagram and correct username. To know how to fix Instagram and correct username, you should just go to settings like this. We will click. After that, in this page you will go to apps, default apps settings. And when you will see this page here, you will go down to find the application of Instagram. When you will see this page, you will go down to find the first stop here and you will click. When you will end this, you will enter to storage. After that, in this page, you will click clear cache. Then you will click clear data. And after all that, you can update your application. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.